Hello everyone, so let's start a new lab of Microsoft Excel. So in our last video we have seen the feature that is called wrap text. In this session we'll see what is merge and center. Okay, so for the time being I have written few text for not wasting the time. So what I have taken here, you see there is a company name I have taken. This is a heading, and this is the employee ID, this is the name of the employee, and these are the salaries. Okay, now let me format these cells first. Okay, so first, before going to this merge and center, let me have a border. Okay, so for border you have to select this region, and this is a border region. Okay, so there are a number of features are there. So this is bottom border, this is top border. That means if I click on top border, there is a line at the top. If I select this region and if I click on this bottom border, the border is coming at the bottom. But what I want that each cell should have a border. So what I do, I simply select the region and click on all borders. So the moment I click all borders, you see the borders are appearing. Okay, now let me make this number as left align, and make this heading as yellow background, and the text should be bold. Now let's see what is merge and center. So you see this company name is in the one cell, but we have three cells used. We have used three cells. Now what we want that this three cells should act as a single cell, and this company name should be appear at the center. Okay, so for that we use the feature called merge and center. So we have just selected this three cell, and when I click this three cell will be act as one cell, and this company name will be appear at the center. You see, the moment I select this and click on this, it is coming at the center, and this three cell will now, or this cell is now acting like a single cell. So see, it is written merge and center, that's why the text is appearing at the center. If you want this text to be appear in the left hand side, you can click here, or you want this text to be in the right hand side, it is in the right hand side. So for the timing, let me make it at the center. Now let's format this cell. Let me have another background. Let the text should be different. Let me increase the size. Now you see, now it's look proper. So this is a use of merge and center. So this merge and center helps you to merge number of cells in a single one. So try to practice this session lab, and if you have any doubt, please write me in the comment section. So thank you very much.